Out here we want to make y the subject. Okay, let's see how it's done. The first thing that we'll do is, whatever we want to make the subject should never be in the denominator. It should always be in the numerator. So, x, open bracket, y minus a. This is division, it will go up, it will become multiplication, is equal to z. Open the bracket, xy minus xa. Okay? Now, you know that you want to make y the subject, so whatever you want to make the subject should be alone. So, rest of the things, you take it on the other side. So, xy is equal to z plus xa. Now, y is equal to z plus xa upon x. Can we cancel this x and x? No, you cannot cancel since there is a plus sign in the middle. Okay, we want to make y the subject. So, we are going to take this d up. b minus ay is equal to 4ed. Whatever you want to make the subject should be always alone. So this thing is going to be alone. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to take this on this side. Because it was positive, it became negative. And this, what is negative, becomes positive. The a will go down. See how I did it? Because it was multiplication, it became division. Now come here, let's look at this one. Open the brackets first. dy plus de is equal to f. dy is equal to f. You take this on the other side. Y is equal to f minus de. Remember, you cannot cancel the d and the d. This is your final answer. We want to make y the subject out here. Whenever you see four things in this manner, 1, 2, 3, 4, with an equal to sign in the middle, you should always cross multiply. So this will go here and this will come here. So it will be 4, open bracket, 7 minus 2y is equal to 5, open bracket, 4 plus y. Now, open the brackets. So it will become 28 minus 8y is equal to 20 plus 5y. You get the y terms together, get the x terms together. So 5y plus 8y is equal to 28 minus 20. So it's an 8 is equal to 13y. Y is equal to 8 over 13. And that's my final answer. Up here, y is under the root. So the first thing that you are going to do is, you will first ensure that the root is alone. So it will become root y square minus x. This a which is being multiplied will go on the other side and become division. See what I've done? Now, you can square both the sides. To get rid of the root, you square both the sides. So I'm going to do this. Now, the square will cancel the root. So what you are left out in the next step will be a y square minus x is equal to b square over a square. Now, y square is equal to b square over a square plus x. I took this x on the other side. We want to make y the subject, not y square. So y is equal to the square root of this, that is b square upon a square plus x. And you can leave it here. When you make a root of something, it's always plus minus. You want to make out here y the subject. So first, what we do is we take the n on the other side. So it becomes a minus p plus n. Now, you take your y, which is in the denominator, take it in the numerator. So m square is equal to y minus p plus n. Now, m square, this is being multiplied. You take this below and it will become division. And you have made y the subject. Come here. Out here you have y again in the denominator. You have an m out here. The first thing what I'll do is I'll get the m on this side. So it will become 3m minus m, which will become a 2m is equal to n p plus y. Take this up. So 2m open bracket p plus y is equal to n. Open the bracket. Multiply this with both the terms. So you are going to get 2m p plus 2m y. Now, since you have to make y the subject, leave it as it is. And take this on the other side. Y is equal to n minus 2mp upon 2m. And that's the answer.